Okay, good afternoon. I am Drishya, working as an assistant professor at SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. So, we are discussing about the top subject, first unit, Constitution. The topic is fundamental rights. These are the syllabus. Already we already discussed the topics making of the Constitution, salient features of Indian Constitution and preamble. So today we will discussing about the next topic, fundamental rights. So the fundamental rights are included in Constitution as the Article 12 to 35. Article 12 to 35 of the Constitution deals with the fundamental rights. Okay, those rights as stated by the Constitution as inviolable. Fundamental rights are basic human rights enshrined in the Constitution of India, which are assured to all its citizens. The fundamental rights are discussed about every human rights. There are six fundamental rights. No discrimination is allowed in its application based on race, religion, gender, and so forth. That is the rights. That is basically mean the rights. Importantly, fundamental rights are enforceable by the courts subject to the certain conditions. These rights are known as fundamental rights due to essentially two reasons. They are embedded in the Constitution, which guarantees them. They are enforceable by the court. So, those are the two reasons why that fundamental rights, why the norms are fundamental rights. They are embedded in the Constitution, which guarantees them, and they are enforceable by the court. In case of violation, a person can approach a court of law. Fundamental There are six fundamental rights of India. In our constitution, there are six fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are essential for everyone's moral and intellectual growth. Fundamental rights are essential for an individual's growth. India's post independence era has resulted in the addition of some extremely important fundamental rights in the Indian constitution. Every citizen of India is given certain rights by law. It's vital to know what they are so that no one's rights get infringed upon. So, every human citizen, every Indian citizen, need to understand what are the six fundamental rights, how it is apt for all the human. So, first of all, we are just go through the six fundamental rights. The Indian Constitution states the following six fundamental rights for an Indian citizen. So, first one is right to equality, then right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. These are the six fundamental rights. Everything is easily understand when it is read. Okay, right to equality, which means every human, every Indian citizen have the right to equal, like not any kind of discrimination, the basis of religion, gender, color, uh, language, etc. Then right to freedom, every Indian citizen have freedom for everything. Then against right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, which means any one of the human in India, they has the uh, right to move their own religion. If you like to if you like to live as a Muslim, you do it. And if you like to live as a Hindu or a Christian, etc., any of the religion, everyone in India are same, not any kind of discrimination. Then culture and educational rights. If you like to do if you are in if your culture is very different from others, that's not any kind of problem in our India. So that's there one of the right. Then educational rights is, if you want to study more and more, you have to do. No any kind of barrier there. Okay. Then next is right to constitutional remedies, which means everyone is move with the or follow the constitution. These are the fundamental rights. So lately we deeply study in we deeply understand these six fundamental rights in our next video. Thank you.